In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete Pinterest account on laptop PC. If you've decided it's time to remove your profile and all your pins for good, I'll walk you through the exact path on the desktop site and share helpful notes along the way so nothing catches you off guard. First, open a web browser on your laptop or PC and go to Pinterest.com. Sign into the account you want to remove. Make sure it's the right one, especially if you have multiple profiles in the same browser. If there's anything you want to keep, like board ideas or pin images, save them to your device now, because permanent deletion removes your boards, pins, follows, and comments. Once you're on your home feed, look to the left sidebar. At the bottom of that panel, click Settings. This opens the settings dashboard where all account controls live. From here, you're looking for the section that manages privacy. Select your privacy rights, or the privacy and data area, depending on the wording you see. The wording can vary slightly, but you want the page that covers how your data is handled. On that page, scroll down. You're heading to the section that addresses account and data removal. Take a moment to skim the description so you understand the impact. Deactivation only hides your profile, but permanent deletion is irreversible after a short recovery window. Under Delete Your Data and Account, click Delete Data. This is the control Pinterest provides to permanently remove your account and associated information. After you click, Pinterest may ask you to confirm the choice, select a reason, or verify via email for security. Follow any prompts that appear in the same browser tab, and keep the window open until you see confirmation that the process has been initiated. A couple of quick tips before you wrap up. If you run ads or have a business profile, make sure Make sure campaigns are paused and any outstanding balances are handled. If you use Pinterest to sign into other apps, switch those logins to email and passwords so you're not locked out later. And remember, even after deletion is triggered, search engines and caches might show your content for a short time until they refresh. That's it. You've navigated to Pinterest on your computer, opened settings, gone to your privacy area, scrolled to the removal section, and used delete data to permanently delete your account. Thanks for watching, and take care.